Travellers Influencers back again, and today we're in East Sussex at the Camber Sands beach, and it's actually rated as one of the top 10 beaches in the UK. Can you believe that? Well, I tell you something now, I can believe it, because what I've seen so far, I feel like I'm in Dubai, mate. I feel like I'm in Dubai. It's wonderful here, so yeah, follow me and let's see what's going on.
Okay.
Can you believe it? This is a UK beach. I actually feel like I'm in Spain or in the Caribbean or something like that. It is fantastic. You don't have to leave the UK to go on holiday. Enjoying yourself?
Yes.
What are you guys doing here?
Building.
Isaac, what's happening? What is this all about?
We're building a house.
Oh my God.
Those pyramids.
It's a pyramid.
It's a house. Pyramid. It's a house.
Oh, it's a pyramid. Okay, wonderful. Keep up the good work. Check out these beachfront houses. I don't know what's over here, but it looks very, very interesting. Some old stuff here. Like I could see a boat over there, a little shed with some lamps. I don't know what that's all about. But this house looks old, and it looks like no one don't even live here. And look at it. It's right here on the beachfront. This is a nicer house. Look at this house. You know what I mean? It's like a glass house. You could actually see inside their house. Maybe my camera can't pick it up, but you know, there's two young ladies there chilling out, relaxing in the sun. Wonderful. And that's a beach house settings also. Yep, and this is a more quiet part of the beach. Nice and quiet. No noise. You can just chill out. You know, relax, peaceful, and enjoy yourself.